Good morning everyone. Today's time is 7:29, half hour before London Open. So let's just have a quick look at the charts. Everybody has said good morning in the group. Good morning. Oh, some results already. Done. Wow, what a start, mate. Wow, I've just jumping on the charts now. Let's go. Okay, right, so let's have a quick look at the charts. Let's have a quick look. So I just want to bring up all my charts to the 1 minute time frame. That's the most important because I trade the 1 minute and 15 minute and 1 hour support and resistance. So let's have a quick look here. Okay, right, so Euro USD is in a downtrend, so nothing really happening at the minute. Gold might get a good setup. Let's get rid of Euro USD again. Aussie US dollar, USD CAD, Euro USD, and GP USD. So two possible setups. Aussie US dollar, let's have a quick look here. Okay, I'm going to be entering a sell on Aussie US dollar. That was very, very quick. So let's go to Aussie US dollar. Let's take a sell of, there we go there. If you're wondering why I've just took a sell on Aussie US dollar very, very quick, let me just make myself a little bit smaller. Okay, let's have a quick look at Aussie US dollar. Okay, so first of all, this is how quick I am at entering trades. So we've got a Mogwai signal. MACD's gone overbought. Everything's great from a Mogwai perspective. TCA Lounge just come slightly out. It's good trade, okay? It meets all the rules. If we just go to some price action now and we have a look at the 15-minute charts, okay, what I'm looking for is obviously previous low and previous high. So you can see here, we've got a low being formed there. We've had the previous low there. We've had a lower high there. And we've had a new lower high there. You can see a nice area of resistance just here. Okay, so what I'm expecting is perhaps a move down. Now we can actually consider this as a higher low. It could be doing something like this here. High, pull back, higher high. It could be doing that. However, we're not sure at this minute what's going to happen. And this is something you have to remember as traders, we analyze the market. We know that sellers are going to come into this level because we see an area of resistance. So we are expecting perhaps a move down, perhaps all the way down here, or perhaps to a pullback. If I just bring it up here, perhaps we're going to come to this zone here and we're going to do something like that there. Whatever happens, all I care about is getting in, getting out. This isn't a long-term swing trade with the trend. It's just going to be a short in and out scalp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be setting my stop loss nice and tight on this one because I'm going to go for a stop loss of minus 10 pips. And we'll go for a take profit of 10 pips as well. Just nice little short in and out scalp there. There was another setup, wasn't there? If I just go back to 1 minute charts now and we'll load up the Mogwai strategy there. Gold. Okay, let's have a quick look at gold. Again, I might have been a little bit too late on this one. Oh, that is really frustrating. That is really frustrating. Oh, you know what? I'm going to enter again. I'm going to enter again on this one. I'm going to enter XAU. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this trade very late. Okay. Again, let me show you down a breakdown of this setup here. So again, if we go to the 15-minute charts, just ignore this EA, by the way, that I have on my charts. This isn't a buy from me. One of the BD members sent me an EA he built from the Mogwai strategy. So basically, that's what it is. And I'm just testing it. But again, as you can see here, this is a much more cleaner example. Okay, you can see here how it's clearly going lower low and lower highs. You can see downtrend, pull back, downtrend, pull back, downtrend. Okay, you can see the lower lows. There's the previous low as well. And again, they're beautiful on the 15-minute charts. The only downside when we go back to the 1 minute, we entered that a little bit late, didn't we? A little bit late to the party. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to manually watch this and see what pips I can get out of it. If I can get maybe 100 pips out of it. I mean, I'll set a take profit of 100 pips. It would be nice to get 100 pips. Again, I'm not, you know, it's one of them where I should already be in and out of the market, but we'll see what happens. I'll update you again shortly on these positions. Let me just see what the video member says. I'm ready to kill it. I jumped on, hold on. I jumped on AU and gold, both sells from Mogwai Arrow. I'll pause the video. I'll come straight back. Okay, quick update on those positions. Both have just hit TP probably within the last couple of minutes. So I was pretty much in and out. I wonder if it tells me how long I was in the trade for. I was pretty much in both trades less than maybe 5 minutes. I just want to update the BD members. TP hit on both. BD member said he was in AU as well, so just give you an update. There we go there. So Aussie US dollar, nice little come down here, beautiful, nice little sell, in and out, no messing. Same again with gold. Now, like I said, gold slightly pulled back, which, you know, I did say it was more on the riskier side of the setup, apart from Aussie US dollar. But nice little 2 setups before London Open. What I'll do now is I'll wait for London Open, which starts in 20 minutes, and I'll update you if we get any more setups. Hi everyone, we haven't got any setups yet, but I just want to show you an example between Aussie US dollar and gold. You notice how I said Aussie US dollar was with the trend? Look how it's perfectly, just no messing, in and out, you know, beautiful. Now look at gold, and you know how I said gold was a little bit risky, we entered gold a little bit late. That's the difference. Okay, that's the difference. It's kind of just sitting there and fluctuating. Another BD member just took a nice little sell on Aussie US dollar, but currently at the minute there's nothing happening. So again, next time you see me will be when we actually take another setup. So I will see you shortly. Okay, so Aussie US dollar, you see how it's dropped down nicely. Watch this. I'm going to take a counter trend now on Aussie US dollar. I want to show you something that I probably I shouldn't show you, but I'm going to show you anyway, because, you know, this is my life. So we're going to up the lot size on this. So basically, right, if we just go back to where is it here? We just go back to Aussie US dollar. Now we had that beautiful sell that we took at the bottom, at the top here. Now if we just, obviously I've got a Mogwai signal, MACD has gone oversold, okay? However, if we just bring up some price action here and we go to the 15-minute charts, as you can see, and I can see, price is making lower low. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, okay? And we've come to this area of support just here. Now, this is against the trend. However, Thinker Trading is very popular in the Telegram group this morning. Very busy. Everyone's saying good morning. A lot of good setups. You have to look at it from a simple perspective, right? Buyers and sellers in the market, right? We know that buyers are going to want to come here and push price up because of this support line, right? However, the direction of the momentum is down. Now, I know there's going to be buyers here. They want to try and push price up slightly, okay? And it'll probably be pushed here and then it'll come down again. So I've gone for a really quick in and out scalp on this one. Now, again, if we go back to the 1 minute time frame, we've got a Mogwai signal. It meets all the rules. That is it, right? I'm literally probably going to go for 5-10 pips at max with this one here. Yeah, I did watch Amy's video with London Open, but to make sure I understand the first arrow after London Open, it was a good day yesterday. Let's go. So yeah, that's basically that one there. What I'm going to do is, again, I'm just going to monitor this trade. What I'll do is I'll put a stop loss of minus 10 pips. And what I'll do is I'll just watch the trade and see what it does. Currently at the minute, oh, GPUSD had a nice little buy, but then again, that was against the trend. So a lot of good moves happening. I was hoping for a sell on USD CAD. We didn't get that one. Aussie US dollar, we're in this one there. Gold gold just melted, literally just melted. Let me have a look at the 15-minute chart. No, nothing on that one. And Euro USD, again, we had a nice little here. Euro USD is just in a typical downtrend at the minute. You don't really want to be doing anything at the minute. If anything, we're looking for sales, right? But at the minute, we're nowhere near that top zone, so I'm just going to ignore that one there. Aussie US dollar. It's just a case of watching Aussie US dollar. Literally, what I'm going to do is probably target the top zone just there. I mean, literally, let me have a look at the 15-minute charts. Yeah, literally, that's where the zone is. So, literally, that, if we're zooming here, that's my target, which is, again, around 8 pips at max. So, you know, very risky trade, something I wouldn't normally show you. But, you know, let's get some profits in. Look, that's pretty much what happens. So, very risky trade I'm in at the minute on Aussie US dollar. If it pays off, great. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. I'm sure we'll get it back during this session. So, I'll come straight back. Hi, everyone. I'm going to be closing Aussie US dollar off there. Like I mentioned, it was a little bit risky. But it's doing that typical kind of slow move up, which is not good, especially when you're counter trend trading. You know, if you counter trend trading and, you know, you want a big move up, right? That's what you want. You want a big push up to confirm buys in the market. And it's doing that typical kind of, this is what's going to happen when you counter trend trade. You get a little move like this, uptrend, slight pullback, uptrend, up pullback, uptrend, and then you just get bang. And yeah, I don't want to do that because literally within 1 minute or 30 seconds, price can literally drop. I mean, if you, and just to prove my point, each candlestick represents 1 minute. So if we look here, price has moved 5 pips. Price has moved up 5 pips in 16 minutes, no, 17 minutes now. So 5 pips in 17 minutes doesn't tell me there's a lot of buyers in the market, does it? So that's why I've closed that one off a little bit early. A lot of PD members are saying that great trade, by the way, it's shot up, cheeky buy on GPUSD. But that's currently it so far. GPUSD, that was that buy trade. USD CAD, I was hoping for a sell. We didn't get that one. Aussie US dollar is the trade I've just closed. Gold, again, both these are counter trend trades. I don't want to take them. Euro USD, nothing's going sideways. So I'll update you shortly. Hopefully get one more trade in, and that will complete Thursday's trading session. GPUSD, let's take a buy, 2 lots, and there we go there. So basically, what this is the GPUSD London Open strategy. Now, this will probably be my trading session done for today. I think we've took 3 trades, haven't we? Let's have a look at today. Yeah, 3 trades. If I just have a quick look at that Aussie US dollar trade. You know what I said about Aussie US dollar? And I said about literally, because you're trading against the trend on this one, how literally within 2 candlesticks, price went lower than what it took to go up in 17 minutes. But yeah, this is GPUSD. This is our first Mogwai signal after London Open. So this is basically the London Open strategy, taking the first Mogwai signal that appears on GPUSD. Hopefully this should win. We're gonna basically a nice little 5 pip take profit on this one, just in the in and out scalp. So I'm going to go back to here, go back to the actual setup, and we're going to set a take profit of 5 pips. Stop loss, we'll set it about 5 or 6 pips as well. What we'll do is we'll just monitor it and see how we get on. But yeah, that's an update. I'll come straight back. Okay, TP has just been hit on London Open. Let me just TP hit on GU. Nice, London Open. So yes, there you go there, just giving an update on there. As you can see here, we've banked nearly £200 in less than an hour, in literally less than an hour. So what I'll do is I'll give it another 5 or 10 minutes. Hopefully we can get another trade in. If not, we'll call it a day. Just want to show you my results for the week. By the way, this is only for my YouTube channel. Okay, I only trade this account on my YouTube channel. That is all. I do actually trade another live account, and I also trade that funded account as well. Just to show you, I don't know if you can see the trades. Oh, hold on there. Give me a sec here, just the trades. I don't know if you can see. Yep. Okay, it's not the best, but yeah. But yeah, I'll update you, hopefully get one more setup. I'll come straight back. Hi everyone. My final trade is going to be a sell on US30. So let me just take a sell. Thought I'd be a little bit adventurous. Thought I would push the boat out a bit and trade US30. So let me just break down US30. So same. I just want to show you that Aussie US dollar trade. You know, I said Aussie US dollar was going to pull down. Notice how it's pulled back. Now, no joke, I was just about to enter a sell here. I'm like, just give me a Mogwai signal. I was like, we had a sell to buy and a sell again. And unfortunately, it never happened. You have to follow your own rules. You can't enter unless it meets your strategy. Anyway, I've entered US30. Same again. MACD has gone overbought. Mogwai signal. Again, we just go over some price action. We have a look at the 15-minute charts. And what's interesting about this is I think this is a possible liquidity sweep. Okay, because same again, how do you get liquidity sweeps? Price makes lower lows, as you can see here, lower highs, and then all of a sudden we get this random move up, that big spike up. Now, the reason being is because everybody's selling here, right? It's creating lower lows, lower highs. We know that. Everybody else knows that. The banks know that. My dog knows that. My cup of coffee knows that. So what banks will want to do is they will want to take that liquidity and sell the market as well. Just to confirm that by looking at the 1 hour charts, it is 1 hour charts is telling me something slightly. We've got a break, nice little area of resistance. We can see that, okay? And obviously as well, we've got this area of support here. But I would assume we are coming down from this level. It's basically what's happening now is you've got a fight between the buyers that want to buy here and the sellers that want to sell here. If you have a quick look at the daily, we've got exactly the same kind of momentum. You've got a support line here. But again, looking at the daily, the overall momentum on US30 is down. So daily's down, the 1 hour's down, the 15 minutes telling me down. However, we are at the minute kind of done this big push up here. Now, again, I think this is a possible liquidity sweep. So, you know, I'm going to go for a stop loss of around up here somewhere, and we'll target the bottom of the zone. But this will be my final trade for the day. Hopefully we can get a 100% win ratio. That will be nice to finish off Thursday's session. I'll update you again shortly on this position. Update on that US30 trade. I've actually had to redo this because I finished the video and realized I didn't turn my microphone back on. So to summarize, I closed US30 off early. The time now is just 10 minutes past 10. I've been on the charts for around 2.5 hours. I don't particularly want to sit here for the next hour making this YouTube video, so just want to show you the results. We've done a 100% win ratio today, 6-0. You've seen me take all the trades in this video, so there's no hiding anything. US30, I closed that off early. Price has just kind of been slowly going down, but I don't want to sit there all day. That is me for the day, 6-0. You will see all the trades I took today on today's YouTube video. Some BD members saying took 10 pips on USD JPY 15 minutes ago, TP hit. But yeah, great trading session, great day, great week. I hope you're having a fantastic week on the charts. I am. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.